Sourcetables AI can generate simple or complex Excel formulas for you. So I have this sample data set containing warehouse inventory data, and I want to add an additional column that calculates the number of days until an item needs to be restocked. I don't know off the top of my head the formula or combination of formulas that will calculate that field correctly. So I'm just going to select all of my data and tell the AI Copilot what I'm needing. The output is the exact formula that I need, as well as some information about the formula and instructions on how to use it. All I have to do now is copy the formula and paste it into the cell where I want the calculation to be displayed. Double click on the bottom right corner of the cell to copy and paste the calculation to each row in your dataset. You can also use Sourcetables AI to fix formulas you've already written. So for example, I have this SUMIF formula that is supposed to calculate the total quantity of all widgets in the warehouse location, but it's not working and I can't figure out how to fix it. When you hover over the top right corner of any cell, you'll see this purple dot, and when you click the purple dot, you have some options. One of them is Fix Formula. I'll go ahead and click that option, and Sourcetable provides an alternative formula to resolve the issue. You can just click the suggested formula to insert it into your cell. If you just want to explore what kinds of calculations are available for your data, Sourcetable can provide some recommended formulas. Just highlight any or all of your data and click Write Formulas. And Sourcetables AI will recommend some formulas to help you explore, summarize, and aggregate your data.